This is my new campsite in Scadden Wash. Here's some aerial footage, shot of my new campsite here in Scadden Wash. I'm at the Meet Bob, not RTR event, Camp with Bob event, whatever you want to call it. And right straight ahead is right about in the area where they're set up to meet him, and tables and stuff where you can go up and say hi. If you look off in the distance, you'll see, you can't really see it, but I-10's off in that direction, kind of to the north there. And pan around to the left here. See a couple rigs out here. This is all Scadden Wash here, kind of in the old RTR area. Look off in the distance, you can see I-10 now there. You see a few trucks out on there. As we come around, you'll see Quartzsite. That's what that is off in the distance there, the white area. And the La Posas are to the left there. I'm to the east of La Posa LTVA areas right now, looking back towards Q Mountain and Dome Rock, and you can see quite a few people out here for a small area, but you still got some distance. There's still quite a bit of open area here. Normal years, what you're looking at right now for RTR would be completely full. All these washes along here. And as you can see, this year it's not the case, because of course the RTR was canceled, and we'll see what they do next year. But I know a lot of you wanted to be out here this year, and I'll have a chance to meet Bob, and I've got some pictures I'll post in the next video of me and Bob, and a little bit of video and an e-bike tour of the area so you can see it from the ground too. But I know how everybody likes the drone footages, so I had to do one for you. Give you an idea. Beautiful day out here. Alright, I appreciate all my new subscribers, all my existing subscribers. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will talk to you later. And enjoy your day.